Welcome to the prompt engineering section of the course, where you are going to learn to take your ChatGPT skills to the next level. So first of all, what is prompt engineering? Well, prompt engineering is the process of crafting questions or tasks to ChatGPT for helpful and accurate answers. In other words, prompt engineering is the art and science of asking the best possible questions to get the best possible answers. So why is prompt engineering important when you could just be asking any sort of question into ChatGPT? Because it will help you to create better prompts to help you with problem solving, decision making, and learning. In other words, the better you are at crafting your questions, the better answers you will get, and the more time you will save, the better articles you can write, the better tasks you can complete, the better emails you can send out. Anything you're currently doing with ChatGPT will be improved by properly learning prompt engineering, because once again, better questions, better answers, better results. So how do you create better prompts? By being clear on what you want to know, to share specific information, and provide context for better answers. And we're going to show you exactly what we mean by this throughout this section, as you will get a bunch of good versus bad examples of prompt engineering. And this entire section is riddled with different techniques that you can start applying right away. Already in the next lecture, you will be getting a prompt framework that will allow you to write in exactly what your request is and fill in the blanks that we've written out for you to gather whatever information that you need to know simply by writing in the different blanks in the framework. It's basically like a cheat sheet for ChatGPT to ensure that you will always get the answer that you need for your queries. And then you will learn all the most important prompt engineering techniques, such as iteration, the ability to give ChatGPT more context based on the output it has given you to make the answers more and more accurate. And then you will learn all the best prompt engineering techniques, such as prompt priming, the ability to give ChatGPT enough context so that it can give you the best possible answers. And you will learn iterations, where you will give it more context based on the output ChatGPT has given you in order to make accurate answers even more accurate. You will learn the act as technique, where you can have ChatGPT simulate any form of expertise so that all the answers will come through that lens, such as act as a lawyer, act as a digital marketing expert, act as a copywriter. All of the answers through the act as will, through that simulation, give you very different responses based on that profession or niche that you have written in. You will learn the fourth grader technique, where you can take any complex topic, even if it's astrophysics, and have ChatGPT explain it to you like you were a fourth grader. In other words, taking very complex text and simplifying it to the level where you can get a good understanding, whether it's for you or your readers. You will learn how to increase the ChatGPT accuracy by having ChatGPT ask you follow-up questions so that it can fill in all its blanks. You will learn the summarize technique, to take huge amounts of text and have them summarized for you, whether it is for you to learn personally or use in any form of content. You will learn the teach me technique, where ChatGPT will teach you any skill you need to know in a step-by-step fashion so that you can properly learn it. The write like me technique, where ChatGPT will look at your writing or your brand's writing and then adapt to your style so that all the content or all the creative writing that you might be putting out will be constantly in the same voice. You will learn to ask for advice, whether that is in your life questions, whether that is professionally, whether that is what sort of content to put out next, what to write about next, what to do next in your situation. ChatGPT can help advise you. And finally, you will learn advanced prompt engineering and fine-tuning, where you will take all of the information and techniques that you have learned and then learn how to combine them in the best possible way to get the best possible results, and fine-tune them based on the result that you're getting from ChatGPT. In other words, once you get to the advanced ChatGPT section, you know that you're in for a treat, because this is where you get to be creative and take all of these prompts to the next level. This will be followed by an advanced prompt engineering assignment, where you get to prove to yourself that now you have unlimited possibilities at your hands, because I will request you to do some pretty difficult tasks with ChatGPT, and you will be surprised over how easily you can accomplish it. So I hope you're excited. Let's jump in the next lecture, where you will get your prompt framework in order to get any sort of response you're looking for instantly by using this cheat sheet. See you in the next lecture.